Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Cheryl. So in today's video, I'm gonna be doing my nails. I want something more vibrant, more summer. So I have a couple of colors. One of them is new that I got in the mail and I'm excited to use. Plus I got some dried flowers that I'm also gonna use. I'll be using that. I'll be using from Sparkle Infusion this glitter called I Believe. And from Dipology, this one that I got in the mail. This one glows in the dark. And I'll be using clear acrylic. So let's get started. So I'm going to quickly push back my cuticles. I changed the sanding a bit for this one. That's fine because this was for natural nails. My nails look red. It's because I was washing my hair, and if you know me, if you've seen my makeup videos, you know that I have red hair, so every time I wash my hair, it always stains my hands. See that right there? That's the downside of having red hair. I'm using this nail glue from Mia Secret. These are my tips right here, my sizes for this hand. Trying to decide which shape I want. I know I'm gonna cut the length because I cannot deal with long nails, but I don't know what shape I want yet. I don't know if I want ballerina or stiletto or rounded or just square. I haven't decided. So I'm gonna cut them all, shape them, and I'll be right back. So I decided to do this shape. I don't know if it's square or ballerina. You let me know. I think it's in between being ballerina and square nails. So I have that shape done. Now I'm gonna use primer, Extra Bond primer from Mia Secret. And I have my clear acrylic here. I'm using this Kolinsky number 8 brush. I'm just gonna add a little bit of clear on my natural nail so then I could put the colors. I'm gonna start with this one from Dipology. I have a discount code with them in case you want to purchase anything from their site. It's Cheryl10. It saves you 10% off. I'll link everything down below. This is very, very, very pigmented. You can use these powders as dip powders or acrylic. It's up to you to know which way is easier for you. So I'm going to use these flowers. I'm going to use this glitter from Sparkle Infusion called Believe. I have a discount code with them. It's Cheryl20. It will save you 20% off. I'm also going to link it down below. I'm gonna encapsulate everything. These flowers were blue and they turned black. Isn't that interesting? And these were yellow and pink, and look at the color they turned out. So I guess those, depending on the background color, they change color they are, which sometimes it could be good, and sometimes, depending the look you're looking for, it could be good or bad. In this case, I'm not minding the black ones, but this one kind of got lost in there. You can't really see them. They're dry. I'm gonna start filing now. I have this Mia Secret 100 Speedy White. I'm gonna start with the side walls first. Get that straight. Free edge. And surface. I changed my drill bit to a ceramic one. This one's coarse. It's always difficult for me to file my pinky because it's so thin. It's not wide. I have skinny nails, skinny fingers, so it's always really hard to try not to cut myself. So I tend to go in the cuticle, close to the cuticle area in a low speed, especially on my pinky. I'm gonna add some stones. And I'm gonna use this UV gel top coat. Gonna put them in the lamp for a minute. So when I received this powder, they also sent me this cuticle oil, Mojito cuticle oil. I want to drink it. Just kidding. Let me see how it smells. I've never tried this one. It kind of smells like lemon. I love it. Very citrus. Lord knows I need cuticle oil. My cuticles are always dry. So there's the completed set. I hope you like them. I really like the way it turned out. Overall, I like the result. So thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Click on the bell to get notified every time I upload. And I'll see you on the next video. Bye guys.